Hello fam, it's Kose here. Welcome to Kose Fitness. As you know, Kose Fitness is all about burning fat and building lean muscles. I bring you highly intense workout that helps you burn fat, especially fat at your abdominal area, and also help you build lean muscles. Today we are going to be doing a full body workout. All you need is a dumbbell, and then it's going to be intense, so buckle up. Don't forget to warm up, and also don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like and then also subscribe. Let's get to it. So, like I said, we'll be doing 6 workouts. It's a full body workout, and then the workout are dumbbell squat press, dumbbell sumo squat, single arm, high pull. And then we'll also be doing a dumbbell standing military press. We'll also be doing a dumbbell standing flyers and then a dumbbell hammer press. Like I said, this is going to be an intense workout, so don't forget to get some water that you hydrated and also give in your all. Let's try and finish this workout together, and then don't forget to warm up. Let's take about 3 minutes to warm the body up, and then you need a dumbbell for this workout. Don't forget to get a dumbbell that you can make sure the dumbbell that you are using is a dumbbell, a weight that you can control. You should be able to control this workout to get effective results. Let's get to it. Let's take 3 minutes to warm the body up and then get straight to the workouts. Thank you for joining me in this workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment sections which workouts that you enjoyed best and then the most challenging workout for you. Congratulations to you if you were able to join me throughout this workout. You're able to burn some calories. And then don't forget to like, share, and then comment in this video. Also, don't forget to share this video so that other people will benefit from it. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.